The Honda CBF125 is now available with 0% finance over 3 years with a minimum deposit of Xa $399 and 36 monthly payments of Xa $366.69. Here's what MCN had to say when we rode the bike at the launch. Cheap as chips replacement for the venerable CG125 offers the same kind of Xa0 dependable utilitarian transport but with a dash of style. Quote, the CBF125 has flown out of showrooms since its introduction, so much so that dealers complain of not being able to get hold of them quickly enough, and we're not surprised. It's a Honda. It's good looking. It's cheaper to run than catching a bus. It may be the only transport you need and it costs just a shade over Xa $32,000 on the road. It's even been described as fun. Find a The only question seems to be, why doesn't everyone have one? /single quote